What is up, Toxic Comic fans? We're gonna be playing a little bit of the press the button, and so would you rather have French fries? But there'd be no ketchup. There would be no ketchup, but I prefer ranch. So you know what? I'm gonna press this button. If I can just, yeah, I'm gonna press it. Let me press the button. Why can't? What the? Okay, yeah, press the button. There we go. Alright. Yeah, more, a lot of people agree with me, because I can just use ranch. Alright, so, what? We're gonna, can only have every, nah, well, I'm not gonna press this button, this is dumb. I don't, organisms? Yeah, I'm not gonna press the button. Yeah, most people can agree with me. Alright. Next. You can have a song in your head. That's stupid. That's so dumb. I can just listen to music. I don't want to have the song stuck in my head. I can just listen to music. I'm not gonna press the button. Whatever. You found human. What? Oh, Mars. The Earth. Sorry if I'm like making sounds. This is just me reading it to myself. I'm not. I don't want to press this button. No. I'm not gonna press the button. Oh, sorry. Next. You will. But the internet will explode. Oh, gee. Whatever will I do? I'm not gonna press the button. I need the internet. I love the internet. Why will... The internet will explode, like just, like you see the Wi-Fi bars just on your phone. Yeah, I can see most people agree with me. Alright. This is time travel, but painful to the point where I like pass out. What? Oh no, I don't want to press the button. I will not press the button. Okay. What? Why do you not? Why do you eat anything but not get fat, but no one will notice you? Oh, that's sad. You know what? I don't care. I will not press the button. I don't care. I will not press the button. No. Love is too important to me. I don't care how big I get. There's someone for everyone. There's someone for, oh, goodness. What? I don't understand this one. I don't understand this one. Because I don't understand this one, I'm not gonna press the button. I'm not. Oh no. Okay, you know what? That is it. Peace, guys. I'm done with this video.